Conjugation of the verb to communicate in 12 English tenses. 1. Simple present, I communicate. 2. Simple past, I communicated. 3. Simple future, I will communicate. 4. Present continuous, I am communicating. 5. Past continuous, I was communicating. 6. Future continuous, I will be communicating. 7. Present perfect, I have communicated. 8. Past perfect, I had communicated. 9. Future perfect, I will have communicated. 10. Present perfect continuous, I have been communicating. 11. Past perfect continuous, I had been communicating. 12. Future perfect continuous, I will have been communicating. Conjugation of the verb to communicate, he, she or it. 1. Simple present, he, she or it communicates. 2. Simple past, he, she or it communicated. 3. Simple future, he, she or it will communicate. 4. Present continuous, he, she or it is communicating. 5. Past continuous, he, she or it was communicating. 6. Future continuous, he, she or it will be communicating. 7. Present perfect, he, she or it has communicated. 8. Past perfect, he, she or it had communicated. 9. Future perfect, he, she or it will have communicated. 10. Present perfect continuous, he, she or it has been communicating. 11. Past perfect continuous, he, she or it had been communicating. 12. Future perfect continuous, he, she or it will have been communicating. Conjugation of the verb to communicate, you, we or they. 1. Simple present, you, we or they communicate. 2. Simple past, you, we or they communicated. 3. Simple future, you, we or they will communicate. 4. Present continuous, you, we or they are communicating. 5. Past continuous, you, we or they were communicating. 6. Future continuous, you, we or they will be communicating. 7. Present perfect, you, we or they have communicated. 8. Past perfect, you, we or they had communicated. 9. Future perfect, you, we or they will have communicated. 10. Present perfect continuous, you, we or they have been communicating. 11. Past perfect continuous, you, we or they had been communicating. 12. Future perfect continuous, you, we or they will have been communicating. Verb to communicate forms. Present simple I, you, we, they communicate. He, she, it communicates. Past simple communicated. Past participle communicated. Form communicating.